Hello everyone, I am Vaibhav Bakale. Today I am going to discuss on the topic of nervous system. So the nervous system is a complex network of nerves. So its components is two components. So first one is the central nervous system, then peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system contain brain, spinal cord, and it contain it carry the information in a single cord. Then peripheral nervous system contain somatic and autonomic nervous system. So let's talk about the central nervous system. Central nervous system. Brain is the primary organ of the central nervous system. Brain lies between the skull and it's shaped like a mushroom. Brain contain cerebrum, pons, and the medulla. So cerebrum support the brain stem and it form a bulk of a brain. Cerebrum divided into a two hemisphere. First one is right hemisphere and second one is the left hemisphere. Right hemisphere control the left side activity and left side hemisphere contain right side activity. Then it contain a four lobes. First is a frontal lobe, second parietal lobe and occipital lobe, and then a temporal lobe. Then the dicephalon. Dicephalon is a part of the forebrain. It contains a thalamus and the hypothalamus. Thalamus means the sensation impulse towards the brain, and then hypothalamus control the pituitary glands, means the when to stop the hormone and when to release the hormone. Then next part is the midbrain. Midbrain is the conduction between the forebrain and the uh, hindbrain. It carries the information. Then the hindbrain, the cerebellum. Cerebellum located below the cerebrum. It is responsible for the muscle contraction, muscle coordination, balance, and posture. Then next part is the pons. Pons is the pathway between the medulla and the higher brain. Then the brainstem. Brainstem is also known as the medulla oblongata. It is located between the pons and the spinal cord. It is responsible for the breathing, swallowing, heartbeat, and blood pressure. Then next part is the spinal cord. Spinal cord is a long tube like structure which extend from the brain. It contains a 31 segment. Each segment separates into two pair of a nerve towards the peripheral nervous system. It is called as the spinal segment. Then let's talk about the other parts of the central nervous system. Meninges are three layer or three membrane. First one is the outermost layer. It's called as the dura mater. Then middle layer called as the organoid. Then inner layer called as the pia mater. Meninges acts as a barrier against the bacteria. Then let's talk about the peripheral nervous system. Second part of the central nervous system. So peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system divided into two parts. First one is somatic nervous system, then autonomic nervous system. So first one is the somatic nervous system. Somatic nervous system contain cranial nerves. It's 12 pair of nerves, exception optical and the olfactory nerves. Somatic nervous systems are the voluntary in nature, and parts of the it's then second one is the autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system is divided into three parts: sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system, and third one is the enteric nervous system. It control autonomic nervous system. First is the sympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system control the involuntary muscle of internal organs. Then parasympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic nervous system helps in the secretion of the enzymes. Then the enteric nervous system. Then the third is the enteric nervous system. Enteric nervous system present in the abdomen. It innervate the organ within the abdomen like GIT, pancreas, etc. Then next part is the functions of the nervous system. First one is the monitoring changes, then interpretation, then another function is effective response, then mental activity like thinking, memory, like that. Then the homeostasis. Homeostasis means the control or a constant internal environment. So this is about the nervous system. Thank you.